Okay, we're going to make this a little bit more complicated. It's really, really, really important that you get your order of operations correct. So we're going to look at solving. I'll go through a few examples of this, but we'll start with solve sine of theta plus 10 equals a half for 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 360 degrees. Right, step 1 is to change the domain to match brackets. So I'm not solving sine theta equals a half, I'm solving sine of theta plus 10 equals a half. So I need this bit in here to equal theta plus 10. This is just an inequality, so I can add 10 all the way through. So that rather than looking for solutions between 0 and 360, I'm looking for solutions between 10 and 370. The next thing you do is undo sine. So you do shift sine of a half, which gives you 30. But it's not theta that equals 30, it's theta plus 10 equals 30. So you've basically done inverse sine of both sides of this equation, which leaves you with theta plus 10 is equal to shift sine of a half, inverse sine of a half, which is 30. This is where people go wrong. They're going to go wrong. And it's really important that you find your other solutions at this stage here. So you find your other solutions as usual using your normal sine curve. Because all we've done is undo sine. So for this one, for my sine curve, if I've got one solution at 30, the other one will be at 180 minus 30, which is 150. And if you do sine 150, you will get a half. So sine of theta plus 10 will equal a half. And then I subtract 10. So that theta is equal to 20 degrees, or theta equals 140 degrees. I didn't make this bit that clear actually. When you're finding your other solutions, you're looking for other solutions between your adjusted domain. So I'm actually looking for solutions between 10 and 370, but you do use a normal sine curve for that. So that now whatever I've got, if I add 10 to it, and do sine of these plus 10, I'll get a half. So you find other solutions using the normal sine curve within adjusted domain. I'll do a couple more to make that a little bit clearer around there. Right, I'll leave that video there for now, and I'll do another one with 2 more examples on a little bit more quickly.